Here we are going to test two eau de toilette fragrances for men. The Armani Code and L'Eau Super Majeure d'Ici. Let's start with the first one by Giorgio Armani. Armani Code first smells like a public swimming pool, but then you can clearly smell a lemon aroma that is dominant. After a few moments it is quite good. Now we are going to check the L'Eau Super Majeure d'Ici. The name is not easy to pronounce except for the word super. Let's see if it smells really super. Let's see how this product smells. It smells a bit woody and is actually quite boring because it has nothing unique. The fragrance smells quite weak in comparison to Armani Code, and not as powerful as the packaging said. The aquatic scent is weaker compared to the Armani product. The winner of this test is Armani Code. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.